We are now ready to go ahead and start actually creating your website. One of the first steps we suggest is that you actually create the pages for your website. To simply add extra pages, the home page is automatically generated, but to add extra pages, simply click on this button here. The process is quite simple. We're going to add a few pages here. We're going to put a map here. Simply type it in, hit add new pages. As you'll see on the site here that the icon for map has been added. We're going to add a couple others right now. We're going to put in contact. Simply click add a new page, and there we go. We've added it. The next one, we're going to put about, and we're going to click add a new page. So what we've done, this is a 4-page site, and at this particular time we've got our 4 pages set, but we're not able to actually add any others right now unless you have verification. We can go up to 8 pages on our site. Okay, at this particular time we've created the pages. We need to really go ahead and take a few moments to actually kind of set the background for the site. And by doing this, you simply click on the edit the site settings. Under the edit site setting information, you've got lots of different things that you're able to do, and let's just take you through a few of these. Edit site settings allows you to actually do search engine optimization. That can simply be done by putting in keywords to help optimize this site for mobile searches. The other thing that's provided here is that the site actually creates a redirect code, and what redirect code does, this allows you to go ahead and take this and incorporate it into a traditional desktop site. So when someone is actually conducting a search for your site through a mobile device, it'll actually take you to this site, which is optimized for mobile viewing. And let's talk about change site settings. Okay, if you want to go ahead and basically realign or make changes to your to the logo that you've done, this allows you to crop or resize your logo to make it more pertinent and make it fit better on the site. Okay, what this also allows us to do is change backgrounds, and what we're looking at here is that the current site has these 2 type of colors. And all of our sites actually have kind of a double coding or color scheme here that allows you to go in and change the background. So what I'd like to do here, we're actually going to change a little bit of the background here. We're going to have this color here at the top, and we're going to kind of come in and have a little bit off shade for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply come down and hit submit. And what this does, this allows our background to change. Okay, so you can certainly come in and play around with this background color option at any particular time. The next button we're actually going to change here is that we're going to actually change the menu button on this. As you notice right now, not all of the words are can fully appear here. In order to change this, simply come in and make the font just a little bit smaller, and that will allow you to go ahead and have it appear. But we want to probably have a little bit of a different color here on our font, on our menu color here. And this, go ahead, we're going to bring down here, we've got a top and a bottom color that we're able to do this. So rather than a full blue, we're going to actually split it as kind of a double shade here. And you can simply, the best way to do this is simply come in and play around with it, and as you can see, some of the shading takes place. If at this particular time you want to put in any more company details that weren't originally inserted, that can be done at this particular place, as well as adding any additional social networks that can be added as well. Now, one thing that will also take place, and as you notice now, we've got our 4 menu bars here, but let's say we want to go ahead and make some changes here. We want to change the order by which the menu bars are showing. Let's say we want to move about to the second location, and just simply drag and pull it up, hit submit, and as you see, it's already done there for you. So one of the things we highly suggest is step one is to go ahead and create your basic pages. And step two is to take the time to actually come in and start creating basically the background colors that you want to be able to have and support on your mobile site.